What is up, guys? So the video you're about to see is hyperlapsed because I just didn't have an extra hand to video anything we were doing. But this is me and my dad. We're getting ready to get this tree stand built again, and hopefully it'll stay this time because it's being done right instead of me just putting it together in like 2 hours. But we got the base, floor, and then the first wall done in this time period. You know, for me and him doing this, we were battling ticks the whole time. I mean, had to stop a few times and knock them off. It was horrible. Then he got back home, and I think Mom said that she had to pull off 18 ticks of them. I didn't have any, but I also, you can see in the video, I have long sleeve everything, long pants on. Underneath the pants, I have my hunting tight pants on because I just don't want them on me. Here we go. All right, so as you can see here, I actually have black tar paper that went around this. The reason I had the black tar paper is because I wanted a shelter just for turkey hunting, and my blinds literally got destroyed with that windstorm that came through and actually destroyed this stand. It was over on the other side. It completely pulled up. If you can see down in the bottom there, you can see I had anchor pins going down the ground. It completely ripped them out of the ground also. But yeah, all we were doing was getting the black tar paper off. We're getting ready to put the supports on the bottom. And this is what I was talking about earlier too. I'm head to toe covered, got my hunting boots on, pants, and long sleeve with a hat on. But this part here coming up, you see this back part on the left-hand side? That's actually sinking down a little bit. What we plan on doing is after we get done is to jack that up and just make it more level. I did all this with a mini excavator that I have, and it's not perfect. You know, it's a hunting shack. That's what we're going to use it for. That's what it's going to be for. It is going to be 8 foot wide, or 5 foot wide by 8 foot long, 6.5 foot tall. And there's the base that we made for it. And while I was up there, having all that on, I still got sunburnt. Can you believe that? I can. But it's on that platform pretty good. If that thing comes off, that's hurricane force winds that we. So on this part here, all we're doing is reinforcing it. I'm putting in 3-inch screws all over it on the outside just to bring it in. Now it does go into that 2x6 underneath of it. And it's going to have lag bolts going through that also. So that part's not going to be going anywhere at all. And here coming up soon, you'll see that I had to go back and redo a couple things. Like when we get the wall put up. That'll be interesting. And it was at this moment that we knew that it was off by a lot. To the point to where I went and got my big level because we want to make sure this thing has no problems once we get it up and in there. As you can see, the level, it's off by a lot. The front's dead nuts. The other side is off just a little bit. But once we jack that left corner up, it's going to be perfect. Now, here's the part that I thought was funny. So there's the front wall. Right? Nope, just kidding. We forgot to put the flooring down. So here's the flooring. We get the flooring up. Like I said, I get this screwed in. It's not going anywhere either. Now the flooring, that is 1/2-inch OBS board. Everything's pressure treated, even though it kind of don't look like it in this video, but it's definitely pressure treated. Alright, well, that being said, he's ripping this off here for the front, and boom, last screw goes in, and the floor's done. Now what I do plan on doing later on is underneath this thing, I'm going to go back and actually foam the bottom half of this, just to keep some of the air from coming up underneath the floor. I just want it to be decently insulated with insulation. Alright y'all, so that's that. Now, what my plan is later on is to get insulation on the inside of it, get insulation in the ceiling. I did get metal roofing. I know sometimes when you're hunting and it's raining, it'd be kind of loud, but it's the better option for right now. I do have the OBS that's going to go around it. I would like to take it from the bottom all the way up, just for the simple fact that if I could have a 2-tier stand, that'd be absolutely fantastic. This is just the first day of doing this. I'm not too sure when we get back out to finish it, but it's still spring. We got until the beginning of fall to get this done. A lot of things coming up, a lot of vacations time coming up, a lot of weekends being taken up. I just want to get this done, personal reasons. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect, but we're going to try to make it as perfect as possible. So, as always, stay at the ready. I'll see you guys on the next one. Out.